All right, what's up YouTube? This video, I have a 2004 Mini Cooper lock that was sent to me that a key needs to be made for it. So I'm going to use a HU92 Lishi, and I'm going to go ahead and pick and decode it, and then cut the key on the Dolphin 2 here. So first thing to do is I need to get the HU92 Lishi, so we'll head out to my van real quick. All right, so out in my van here where all my Lishis are. This is my board of all the common ones I use quite a bit. And you notice it's got the finger savers on there. If you want to know more about those, check out video 608 or click the link up in the corner here. And these can be purchased at keyinnovations.com. I'll put a link in the description if you do want to check them out. You can just click the link and head over there. And the way mine are organized, I got green is Ford, blue is GM. We got the red as Honda, orange is Toyota. Pink is Hyundai, brown is Kia, got black is Nissan, and then the one of the hour here would be the white ones, which are European. And so we're going to look at the white ones and looking for HU92, which we've got right here. And we'll head back inside to the lock and we'll get this key made. All right, back in the air conditioning here, and now this Mini Cooper lock won't fit in my Lishi vise, so we're going to go ahead and just pick this guy freehand. And so I went ahead and sprayed some Tri-Flow in there. And you know, I got the black glove on, so you know we're serious on this one. And go ahead and get the Lishi in there. So it's all the way in. And then you kind of feel which way they want to pick. This one feels like it actually wants to pick counterclockwise, which freehand, for me being right-handed, is a little bit harder than the other way. But I'm going to try to make it happen anyway. Okay, we'll zoom in here, and I'm going to go and just look for binders. Make sure it's all the way in. All right, so we got odd numbers on the bottom here, so we'll go and check all the odd numbers first. So I got to click on 3 and 5. 7's got a little spring to it, so we'll leave it alone. 1's got a little spring, we'll leave it alone. Okay, a little click on 2. A little click on 4. Okay, 6 has some spring to it, leave it alone. I think 8's ready to go, and look at that, we've got it picked here. So get the finger saver too, it really helps. Got a little extra meat to hang on to. And now we're going to go ahead and actually decode this thing, and then we'll cut a key. And I did turn the key machine off. We fire that guy back on here. All right, let's go ahead and decode it. So on position number 1, we're going to have what looks like a 3. Number 2 is a 1. Number 3 is a 2. Number 4 is a 2. 5 is a 3. What was 4 again? 4, okay, 2 and 3. So 2, 3. And then number 6 we've got, it's going to probably be a 4 because we didn't have to pick it, so that's a 4. And then number 7, 4 as well. And number 8, we have a 3. All right, so I'm going to let this go back to lock position here. Go and get the Lishi out of the lock. All right, we'll swing over to the key machine here. And a little less serious now, so black glove's coming off. Or does that make me more serious? I'm not sure how that works. All right, I'm going to go cut by bitting. And I'm going to go to the H's for HU92R, like Romeo. And 1.25 millimeter. And it's going to tell us clamp B on key position 2. And just me being the high functioning person that I am, I've already got a key in there. And we'll input the bitting, which we had 3122 3443. So 3122 3443. 3122 3443. Okay, there's our bitting. And it cut key. I'm going to do secondary processing. It's an old car. And now it's going to just do its thing here. All right, there's side 1. Clean it off here, flip it over. There's line number 2 on job B. And just get it okay for cutting complete, and we're going to go ahead and cut it on the other side here, and then we'll test it out, make sure it works, and then we'll send it back to the islands. All right, here's side 2. Go ahead and clean it off. And just test it out real quick here, make sure that it works. And then job done here. So key goes in. All right, look at that, key works perfectly. So there we go, man, making a key to a 2004 Mini Cooper. And you guys have questions or comments, put them in the comments. And until next time, we will talk to everybody later.